You guys, we're getting ready to go. Savina's all the way up there already. As you're getting up, you have zero.
Hi.
Zero time to collect yourself.
I had no time to collect myself when I went down the mountain. Hi everyone. About to go down.
I'm gonna go down. So ready? I'm gonna go 3, 2, 1, go. On 2, red tube and green tube, you're going.
Okay.
You two end guys are going, alright?
Okay.
Oh god. Okay. Okay.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, I can do this.
3, 2.
Oh wait! Oh my god, I messed up already. I'm going. I'm going. Ah! They told me to go on 3, and I was like, what? Woo! Ah! Oh shit! Oh! Yay!
You always have to bring your tube with you. And your Savina. So Savina, what are we gonna do?
Gotta go down again.
Now we got wolves out here. What I could do those two.
Make sure they go down a straight line. It's perfectly straight. Yeah, perfectly straight.
They're doing a synchronized tubing technique. Teehee.
Ryan's doing the vlog this time on the way down.
Y'all gonna see my ugly ass face. That sucked. Savina's getting her stuff together. This is my tube. This is my form of transportation tonight.
Everyone ready?
Yer. I'm winning. So, how are you guys doing today? Just on a sleigh ride. No, you're not. Always passes me. She's fascinating. Ooh. That was Gorgina. Mad slippery. We survived. Oh my god. The girl was like slipping and falling and they weren't helping her. They were just holding the tube. A little girl. And pose, and pose, and twirl, and pose. We're literally sweating balls. I need a tissue. I have a middle part. I just want this to go faster. You're not allowed to walk on this thing because if someone falls, like you'll be tumbling down and you'll hit everybody. So Sabina and I are like trying to scoot up because fuck these bitches. Word.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go like sitting.
Okay.
He's passing me this time. I didn't even get a chance to record him. Oh god. Oh. You passed me this time.
Oh my god. Round 50. Savina's going face first.
Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
What? And you didn't take me?
Just letting you go,
How
just
could
like
you?
shit. But don't fly off. That's the ski thing behind us. There she goes. Ah! Ow! Fuck! Ow! Savina, turn around! And we made it. Now we can never have the perfect video. Alright, this will be our last one, because I think they're gonna close. Oh shit! Oh shit! So, we're in the VIP lane. We're in the VIP green lane. Everybody else is in the red lane. So this is us.
Yippee!
Oh! Oh my god! Ah! This one is bumpier. Oh my god, what the fuck? This fucking stinks. I can't get up, I can't get up. Psych. Savina's drunk. So yeah. I never get a moment to collect myself down here.